Hi everyone, this is my DIY balancing robot. This is how I waste my time and money, just because it's fun. Let's start with a quick test. Let's add some weight on one side. What do you think is going to happen? Let's find out. It's not just holding balance, it also tries to hold position by changing its angle. As a result, it quickly adapts to such disbalance. This is my first project that uses stepper motors. Of course, during building I made some mistakes, but hey, mistakes are part of the learning process. Later I plan to make a video how to build such robot. For now I just want to share my results, so enjoy this quick demo. The robot is pretty stable on flat surfaces, but stones on the road sometimes make it fall.